In this video, we're going to talk about the even and odd trig identities. So what you need to know is that sine of negative theta is negative sine theta. Cosine of negative theta is equal to cosine of theta. Tan of negative theta is equal to negative tan theta. Meaning that sine and tangent are odd functions and cosine is an even function. That's also true for their reciprocals. So cosecant of negative theta is negative cosecant of theta. Secant of negative theta is going to be equal to secant theta. And cotangent of negative theta is going to be equal to negative cotangent of theta. We're going to use those identities here. So since cosine is an even function, cosine of negative 60 degrees is equal to cosine of 60 degrees, which is equal to 1/2. Cosine of negative 30 degrees is equal to cosine of 32 degrees, which is equal to √3/2. Cosecant of 30 degrees is equal to a negative cosecant of 30 degrees is equal to a negative 2, because sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. Multiply that by the negative 1 that's out front, it's a negative 2. Tangent of negative 30 degrees is going to be equal to a negative tan of 30 degrees is a negative 1/√3 is a negative √3/3. Sine of negative 120 degrees is negative sine of 120 degrees. Sine of 120 degrees is equal to sine of 60 degrees since it's in quadrant 2. So this is negative sine of 60 degrees is equal to negative √3/2. Sine of negative pi/4 is negative sine of pi/4 is equal to a negative √2/2. Secant of negative pi/6 is going to be equal to secant of pi/6. Cosine of pi/6 is √3/2. So this is going to be 2/√3, which is 2√3/3. Tangent of pi/3. Tangent of negative pi/3 is going to be equal to negative tangent of pi/3, which is going to be a negative √3/1, which is a negative √3. This is going to be a negative sine pi/2. Sine of pi/2 is 1, so that's negative 1. This will be a negative tan of pi. Tangent of pi is 0, so that's still 0. And this is going to be a negative cotangent of pi/4 is a negative 1. That's it for this video. We'll come back next time and simplify some expressions. See you for the next video.